Hey, what's up guys? I'm Nick. Welcome to my channel, Everything Motor Co. So this is my second video now. I didn't film an intro because I didn't plan on having two videos out of this. I thought it was only going to be one video. In this second video, like halfway through, I get this new camera and the mics. So I'm just warning you guys, when I first got the mics, they weren't set up right and the gain was like turned all the way up. So it's like super loud. I'm trying my best to like tune that audio down, but even when I tune it down, it's still like weird. The audio, like it doesn't sound like it does right now. So I'm sorry for that. It was, it happened. Nothing I can do about it now, but just try to make it the best I can with what I have. I want to get going on these frame sliders. They actually go into the motor mount bolt right down here, so I have to like tear all the fairings off of this thing to put these on. We are going full naked bike on this unit. Huh? That was scary. How do you get these two apart, or do you not? Maybe I just let it dangle there. No, I need to get that. That scared me though. That noise it made, I literally thought it just snapped in half. Okay, so that's all they want me to do right there. Okay. Now I'll have sweet panel gaps when I go to put this all back together. No washer or nothing on this guy, I guess. I feel like that's rather odd, but There we go. It said to put blue Loctite on these ones, on these bolts. We'll see. I don't think I got much blue Loctite here. Oh, plenty. Okay. Now I need this big dog. Okay. And there's that. I am going to go ahead and do the other side off camera because it's dark over there and the bike's leaning that way, so you're not really gonna be able to see much. I feel like you probably didn't even see much here. So I'll catch you guys back when I get going on the rear section here. Okay, next up on the agenda involves the rear quarters here. I wish this piece would have came when my taillight came. I don't know why it took so long to get here. There we go. Okay, now I need a Phillips. Out with the old and in with the new beautiful carbon fiber. Okay, the fit's a little goofy on that, but you won't be able to notice unless you're looking down under here. There's just a slight gap on this side. And this thing does move pretty easily, so I tried adjusting it, but didn't do nothing. And that's that. Now we can put these back on. Like so. our push pins in. Now for the finishing touch. There we go. Holy cats, that thing's sticky. Eyeballed perfectly. Look at that. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like the look of this. I knew I wasn't gonna like the look of it. I didn't like the look of it in the pictures. But it's like the most simple one on the market. All the other ones are that like fake carbon fiber look or got weird designs on them. So I just opted for like the OE Kawasaki one. It's just all black and it's got the Kawasaki logo and then some hexagons. But that'll do. That'll protect the tank from getting scratched. There was already a couple little scratches from my zipper and stuff, so that's why I like decided to get it. I wasn't gonna get one because on my old bike I don't have one and I've never had any problems, but that's a much older bike. That tank is like way wider here, so like your zipper just don't get to it. Like your legs couldn't physically bend around that thing to get your zipper up to it. But this, your zipper and button are like constantly just pressed against the tank. So alrighty, that's a wrap. We got the axle slider, the frame slider, which that was a process, the rear axle spools, and then this little carbon piece and the cowl.